What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another video.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada, Prada, basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis.
Like, not who is this diva, because this diva ain't been recording, but who is this diva? Because y'all gonna get 2 videos low-key back to back because I was behind on editing my couch video. Now, bitch, barstools done came, and now it's time to build these barstools, okay? Y'all, my apartment's slowly coming together. These the barstools. They just came today, but it took me about 40 minutes to get in the house because the door was stuck. It was stuck, but low-key the lock was stuck, so I wasn't able to like push it in here. Y'all, it's a whole fiasco. I literally had to call the ambulance because maintenance told me they couldn't help me. Oh, okay. And oh, okay. We're not gonna go there either. It's just so many stories that we just gonna skip. But the only thing that I'm kind of hating about this area of my apartment is it's gonna be filled with boxes because, again, I have no car and it's too cold to be walking these boxes to the front. We'll try that maybe when it warm up, but right now I'm not going for it. Before I start with my bar stools, I just want to show y'all a little something just really quick. It's really nothing too spectacular. I'm just excited for it because I never had a chance to like decorate my own space for the holidays. So yeah, I got these little sticker decals for my window. One of them say let it snow and the other one say ho ho ho, but again, that's gonna be a whole nother video, like when I get my Christmas tree and stuff. Like yeah.
One thing about
so we got everything laid out. Obviously it's still in the bubble wrap. I was just a little too excited and I guess wanted to run my mouth before I took everything out of the bubble wrap. But let's take everything out of the bubble wrap. And this time, guys, the instructions have letters on it, because if you were here for the couch, then you would know that the couch did not come with letters. That's why it took so long to put everything together. I'm going to basically just put everything in alphabetical order, and then from there, hopefully we can get somewhere and it doesn't take mad long because I don't have mad time for this. Ooh, who's this diva? Is she about to be editing on her bar stool? I want to be able to just snap my fingers and it all just become together. Like, as y'all can see, everything is out of the packaging in the snap of a finger, and now all I have to do is read the directions, and I think we could be great. Okay, so this is the back part, and these are the chairs. Nice, a big old booty can sit on this here. Okay. Let's stop being goofy. I'm gonna turn the heat up more though, because it's cold. If you're in Atlanta, tell me you saw the flurries today. Does that mean we're gonna get us some snow come December, January? Like, who is this? Okay, music. We finna vibe and let's get through it. Let's get through it. It's fall. If this ain't your fall album, if this ain't your fall album, y'all know the vibes. If this ain't your fall album, what are y'all doing? Ow, ow, ow. Confused already, ain't it?
turning up on me, don't have a green, you know. Told me a lot of things, but they say everything. But now I know every single thing. There was plenty things, they know.
Okay.
And we all know it's crazy how my boss down to your baby you love. Don't be proud of me.
Okay. The backs are on.
Don't be proud of me.
Okay. This is the next step. Now we gotta connect the whoop-de-woo with the whoop-de-woo.
My little baby sweet. Money in my hand.
Shit, this might have been the easiest thing I done put together. What I'm liking, what I appreciate about these is, although it doesn't have the physical letters, it has the, you know, indications on where the screws go. So I will say thank you for allowing this to be such an easy build process. This is great because when it came to that couch, I don't know who was in charge of the instructions, but 0 fucking stars for the instructions. So shout out to them. By the way, I got this off TikTok shop. I think they were 2 for $150, but I got them on sale. It was $50 off, so 2 for $100. You cannot beat that, because I was looking in other stores and stuff. Baby, no. Y'all want $100 for just one. I'm not doing that.
If we broke it off, then you most of that was bullshit, but some of it I did do. And it's gonna be a lot of smoke. We gon' get rich, but the trust getting broke.
I don't want it to be uneven now. They're gonna sit on these and this thing's gonna fall straight through. So if I wanted to sit up like this, that way they're not backwards. I need to turn this. And I flip it up, it'll still be right side up. Now all I gotta do is connect
People
this.
don't want to see me succeed. It should come with that back. Soon as I left, I had to make peace with that. Dropped out of school. I mean, even with a salary, you can't put no prices on that.
Okay, so this is the first one. Okay. A little. Is it on there? Okay, can we go up and down? We can go up. Oh, these things go high. What? I ain't gonna hold you. On the carpet, it's very unstable. Hey. No, seriously though. Ain't I fresh? Definitely gonna have to move my PlayStation over, but that's what one just looks like.
These feelings, it's been overdue. Here for you to pipe down. Try to run it back on here, somebody's still alive.
I mean, this is the product. This is the final tee. Are we liking it? So this is what they look like at the bar. So that's the vibe, and then we veer over to the couch. When I had my couch video up, y'all didn't see the pictures, and I hung up this picture here. This is the final tee. This is her in her element. Well, her in her element is somebody sitting in it, so let me really. Nice. And I can eat up here, edit up here. Yeah, that's basically all I wanted to do in this video, was just build my bar stools, you know. Be fake Candy Mandy or whatnot, but that really did not take long at all. That probably took all of 30 minutes, really. That was way easier than the couch, I tell you that. Nothing else to be said here. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I haven't said that in a while, but make sure you guys seriously give this video a thumbs up if you want to continue to see more. I won't hold you guys any longer than I need to. Bye. Thank you guys again for watching.
Gucci, Louis, Fendi.